Okay, I want to make a short video on how this Kohler oil filter has a bypass valve. Now, you don't see a bypass valve down here. And say this oil filter was clogged up. So it wouldn't be able to, no oil could go through here, through your engine. And if this was all clogged up, what would happen is these little holes right here, your oil wouldn't come out of here, which would spread out like this. Take this off. It would spread out like this because it couldn't go through, say it was clogged up. So instead it would come through these little holes and go right across here and go right out your outlet hole. I don't really care for these bypass valves. I mean, that seems like with these holes being so close here, you know, to the outlet, it seems like it would be in bypass mode a lot. So I'm not a big fan of these kind of bypass valves. And this bypass valve, it says it has a setting of 8 to 11 psi, which how does that work? How can you know, without a spring, I don't see how they can rate that at 8 to 11 psi when that could be in bypass mode practically all the time. You know, because look at how close it is to the inlet hole. I mean the outlet hole. So that's how those bypass valves work on this kind of filter. And I just made a video out of this filter last Friday, so you can check it out if you want. I'll put a link to that video at the end of this video. Alright, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button.